the animal, what do they eat, if there is a special feature, and that's how they try to match the two animal pairs together.
This is the last pillar, and this is about spaces for learning. This is about just mixing it up a little bit in the room. So we have different spaces in the room for different purposes. So we might have a schedule. So how these chapters, we reshuffle the curriculum in order to create that concept, connect different subjects.
Searching for water, the crow is also flying over different terrains, like the hills, a river, and that gives a crow a thought that can I drink some water from the river, but it's too fast flowing, so it can't. So that is how. So we get a bit of geography.
For having this event in Delhi. I would like to congratulate her for the launch of the book. I could not make out.
Childhood education, and the award goes to Little Genius Preschool and Kindergarten, and I think the person to represent this organization is not present here, but we can definitely put it out.
Yes, ma'am.
One action is clap and the other action is
workshop are varied. It's the unique child, then there is one session on the brain development of the child, and then there was a session on how a brain set, a proper environment is congenial for the development of the child. And then we also had a panel session on integrated learning, because now the NEP and the National Curriculum Framework talks about an integrated learning, and we are looking at